Your engine is misfiring, your fuel bill is going up, your car shakes at idle, and you have no idea why. One small part, the size of your finger, is responsible for all of it. 10 signs of a bad fuel injector. Don't ignore. 7. It can destroy your engine if your car has been acting up lately. Rough idle, poor acceleration, bad fuel economy. I need you to watch this entire video before you spend a single dollar at the mechanic. Because here's what most people don't know, and what most shops won't tell you: 80% of fuel injector problems can be fixed without replacing anything. But only if you catch them early. Only if you know what to look for. In this video, I'm giving you the 10 most common symptoms of a bad or clogged fuel injector, what each one means, why it happens, and exactly what to do about it. I'm also going to show you how to diagnose it yourself at home, and the 3 cleaning methods that actually work. Let's get into it.
What is a fuel injector? Quick background. A fuel injector is an electronic valve controlled by your car's computer. Its only job? Spray the exact right amount of fuel in a perfect fine mist at the exact right moment, thousands of times per minute. If that injector gets clogged, dirty, or starts leaking, that precise mist is destroyed, and your engine feels it immediately. One bad injector out of 4, or 8, can throw off your entire engine. The 10 symptoms. Symptom #1. Rough idle. At a red light, does your car shake or vibrate? Does the RPM needle bounce? That's a clogged injector starving one cylinder of fuel. It fires weakly. You feel it as a rough, uneven shake. Technical name: lean misfire at idle. Symptom #2. Engine misfires. A sudden jerk, like someone kicked your seat. That's a misfire. A clogged injector means no fuel, no combustion, no power. Your ECU logs it instantly as a P030X code, where X is the exact cylinder. Cylinder 3 misfiring? Check injector 3 first. Symptom #3. Poor fuel economy. Filling up more often but driving the same? A dirty injector forces the ECU to dump extra fuel to compensate. A leaking injector floods the cylinder with raw fuel that never burns. One bad injector can kill your fuel economy by up to 25%. That's a quarter of every tank, wasted. Symptom #4. Hesitation under acceleration. When you press the gas, there's a pause, a stumble, before the car responds. Under hard acceleration, your engine demands a huge surge of fuel instantly. A clogged injector can't keep up. People blame the transmission. Most of the time, it's an injector. Symptom #5. Fuel smell. If you smell raw fuel inside the car or near the engine bay, stop driving. A leaking injector can drip onto hot engine parts. That is a fire risk. O-ring seals wear out on high-mileage cars. A hairline crack? You'll never see it. But you will smell it. Don't ignore this one. Symptom #6. RPM surging, cruising at steady speed. You haven't touched the pedal, but RPMs climb and fall on their own. The car surges forward, then backs off. That's an injector stuck partially open, dumping random amounts of fuel. The ECU can't stabilize fast enough. Symptom #7. Hard start / won't start. Cold morning. Engine cranks but takes forever to fire. 2 causes. A clogged injector can't deliver enough fuel from cold. Or a leaking injector floods the cylinder overnight. Too much raw fuel. Can't ignite. Car starts hard in the morning but fine when warm. Leaking injector. Symptom #8. Black exhaust smoke. Black smoke from your exhaust, especially under acceleration, is unburned fuel leaving your engine. A rich injector delivers too much fuel. Combustion is incomplete. Long term, this destroys your catalytic converter, an $800 to $2,000 part. Fix the injector. Save the cat. Symptom #9. Failed emissions test. You expected to pass. You failed. Unburned hydrocarbons too high. A bad injector sprays raw fuel that exits straight through the exhaust. Before spending money on emissions repairs, check your injectors first. Symptom #10. Check engine light plus codes. Check engine light means nothing without the code behind it. Key codes to look for: P0200, P0212, injector circuit faults, P0300, P0312, misfires, P0171 or P0174, running lean, P0172 or P0175, running rich. A basic OB2 scanner is $20 to $40. Every car owner needs one. How to diagnose? Okay, you've spotted the symptoms. Now let's confirm which injector is bad. Quick methods. Method 1. Screwdriver test engine running. Press a long screwdriver against each injector body. Ear to the handle. Healthy injector clicks rapidly and consistently. Dead or weak injector, silence, or an irregular tick. Method 2. Multimeter resistance test. Disconnect each injector's electrical plug. Set multimeter to ohms. Probe the two terminals. Modern cars, 12 to 17 ohms is healthy. 0 ohms means short circuit. Ol means open circuit. Either way, electrically dead. Replace it. Method 3. OBTU live data. Plug in your scanner. Go to live data, check fuel trim values per cylinder. Positive fuel trim. That cylinder runs lean. Injector not delivering enough. Negative trim. Too much fuel. Injector leaking. Cross-reference with misfire counts, and you have your answer. Exactly how a professional mechanic does it. If it's not dead, it's probably just dirty. 3 ways to clean it. Method 1. Fuel additive. Pour Chevron Techron BG44K or Liqui Moly directly into your fuel tank. Best for mild buildup and prevention. Use every 15 to 20,000 km. Won't fix a severely clogged injector, but keeps it from getting there. Method 2. Pressurized on-car cleaning kit, $30 to $60 kit. Connect a canister of concentrated cleaner directly to the fuel rail. Pull the fuel pump fuse. Start the engine, it runs entirely on the cleaning solution. Dissolves carbon, varnish, and deposits that additives never reach. Run until the canister is empty, about 10 minutes. Idle quality often improves immediately. Method 3. Ultrasonic cleaning, the professional method. Injectors are removed and submerged in cleaning fluid. Ultrasonic waves create microscopic bubbles that clean every internal passage, including the ones no tool can reach. Flow tested after. Costs $15 to $25 per injector at a specialist. Compare that to $50 to $200 for a new one. 3 symptoms that mean act now: rough idle, hesitation under gas, fuel smell. Any one of those, don't wait. And remember, 80% of the time, you don't need a new injector. You need a $30 cleaning kit. That's the mechanic's secret nobody tells you. Drop a comment, tell me which symptom matches your car right now. I'll help you diagnose it. Hit like if this saved you money. Subscribe for more information.